Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon, the creator of Dig Your Photos and the owner of Sunflower Photo Solutions. And I just wanted to talk to you about scanning your photos. This time of year, fall, is when we start thinking about going over our memories with our family and sharing the beautiful movies and videos and photos with our loved ones, maybe for Thanksgiving or over the holidays when we really have time to sit back and look at them together. So I know a lot of people are thinking, let me get them digitized. That's a great idea. And it is. It's a fabulous idea. It allows you to share your photos, it makes a backup, and also allows you to color correct them. But far too many people are influenced by the commercials and the big box companies who say, just throw your photos in a box. We'll take care of the rest of it. We'll digitize them. And it sounds great. And it really does kind of take the load off of us because we're not worried about our photos anymore. Somebody else is taking care of it, right? But there are some key things that you should do before you scan your photos. Otherwise, you're just going to end up wasting time and money and create a lot of frustration for yourself. And one of the most important things to do is organize your photos. That way you can pare down the collection and not have things digitized that you don't need to digitize, as well as create categories for your photos so that once they're digitized, they can be named intelligently, whether it's your categories are chronological by date, or your categories are by holiday, by year, or by vacation. It's okay, whatever you choose to create your categories for your photos. But it's very important you do that. Otherwise, you're just going to have a digital mess and you'll never really be able to find the photos you want and share the photos you love. If you want more information on this, head on over to a YouTube Live that I did just recently with PhotoMine, which is a scanning app that you can use on your phone, and look at the link in the comments below. Again, I really would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, put a comment in. I'll answer it. And check out Dig Your Photos. It's the only print photo organizing kit on the market. Digyourphotos.com. Thank you very much.